Good afternoon, everybody. Happy Easter. To those of you that have been following me and watching my videos, I was showing you how to build a simple shadow box top out of scrap. And I told you I had something very cool to put in mine, which is the reason why I was building this shadow box. What you're looking at is old old cap guns from the late 70s, early 80s, from when I was a kid. I'm old now. I'm in my 50s. I've been saving these for over 40 something years. Every single one of them still works. And as you can see, they're all in beautiful shape. Some are a little, worn than others, but overall, over the years, they've been very well taken care of. And, these are obviously going to be for my little boy when he gets older. He's only 6 right now, but when he gets older, these will all be his. But this is when kids used to be able to buy cap guns at Kmart's or at the store, and they were actually made out of metal and looked like real handguns, not that plastic junk you buy now. So I figured, after all these years, I would build a little shadow box case for them so I can display them in my building. Again, very cool. I'm sure some of you guys probably have some of these or like this. Again, this is going to be great for a man cave. I don't have a man cave, but I have my place set up like a cabin, so these are going to look beautiful on the wall. Again, I've been saving these for over 40 something years. Every time I see some available or I run across some that are a good deal, in good shape, I'll pick them up. All the little keychains there that used to be cap guns from way back in the day. And again, every single one of them work. I just thought it was something really cool to do. And again, like I said, these are going to be for my son. Let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I hope you learned something from the build. If you have any questions, please let me know. Please like and subscribe. We have a big announcement coming up in a few days. You're going to want to be a subscriber and don't miss out on this. Again, thanks for watching and happy Easter, everybody.